Hi, today we will talk about navigating home ownership amid today's rising mortgage rates. The dream of owning a home is becoming increasingly difficult due to skyrocketing mortgage interest rates and dwindling savings accounts. This has led to an affordability crisis, making it harder for many to break through the barriers to home ownership. To illustrate the impact of rising interest rates, let's consider a $440,000 mortgage with a 30-year fixed loan. At a 6% interest rate, the monthly payment would be $2,638. However, at a 7.5% interest rate, the same loan would carry a $3,077 monthly payment. That's really a big difference. And it's astronomical when you consider just a couple of years ago, interest rates were at 2.5%. And given the current state of home affordability, it's no surprise that Fannie Mae's Home Purchase Sentiment Index has reached an all-time low since its inception in 2011. Only 18% of consumers in October reported that now is a good time to purchase a home. While purchasing a home may seem daunting, the rental market isn't any easier. A July 2022 Freddie Mac survey reported that nearly 60% of U.S. tenants faced a rent increase in the last year, with about a third of rent hikes amounting to 10% or more. In South Florida, that number surges. We were hit extremely hard with the region experiencing 58% increases in rent in 2022. If you are considering purchasing a home in the near future, it's important that you explore all your options. Rate buydowns, adjustable rate mortgages, assumable mortgages, and first-time homebuyer programs are worth looking into. There are lots of options to work around high mortgage interest rates during this home affordability crisis. You just need to know where to look. One way to work around rising mortgage interest rates is to pay discount points at closing. Discount points allow you to prepay interest on your mortgage in order to lower your monthly payments. This is a good option if you plan on keeping the loan for an extended period of time. If you're not planning on holding the loan for long, temporary rate buydowns are probably a better option. Temporary rate buydowns will allow you to pay a lower interest rate over the first year or two of the loan period. When the buydown period expires, your monthly payments will increase to cover the full rate in your mortgage contract. Another smart way to avoid the high prevailing mortgage interest rate is to assume the seller's existing mortgage rather than applying for a new loan. This would allow you to assume the seller's interest rate, repayment period, monthly payment amount, and principal balance. There are many options for this, and if you'd like more details, give us a call. At Real-ativity, we can walk you through all your options to save money. Adjustable rate mortgages, or ARMs, can produce savings during the fixed rate period, ranging from 6 months to 10 years. However, if interest rates are high when your fixed rate period expires, you could face a significant increase in your monthly payments that could break your budget. If you're able to afford monthly payments despite rising mortgage interest rates, but you don't have sufficient savings to cover the down payment and closing costs, a first-time homebuyer program may help you achieve homeownership. Florida offers 4 types of down payment assistance: grants, which are not repaid; second mortgages, which are repaid with monthly payments; deferred loans, where repayment is not due until the homeowner sells the property or refinances their mortgage; and there are completely forgivable loans, where the loan does not need to be repaid if you own the home for a specified period of time, usually 15 or 30 years signed, usually 15 or 30 years. Check out the Real-ativity website for a comprehensive list of current programs and links. Programs like the Florida Assist, which provides up to $10,000 as a no-interest second mortgage, and the Florida Home Ownership Loan Program, which offers up to $10,000 as a second mortgage with a 15-year term and a low 3% interest rate. There are also federal programs, county programs, and city programs. When you go to Real-ativity.com, there are also lists of specialty programs for doctors, teachers, firemen, police, and municipal workers. Don't leave any stone unturned when it comes to free money. While it's not an ideal time to buy a home or rent, there are ways to navigate the market. Exploring all your options, including rate buydowns, assumable mortgages, adjustable rate mortgages, and first-time homebuyer assistance programs, can help you achieve home ownership. Remember, The rates taking over the headlines today are averages. You have to get pre-approved for a mortgage to determine what your personalized rate would be. And there's a world of savings that comes with exploring all of your options before you make a move. For more information, point your browser to Real-ativity.com, your site for intelligent real estate.